Today I'm going to be talking about budgies and how to clean their cage and other things. This one wants back in his cage. Yeah, he gets scared outside of his cage sometimes. So is that fun? He pooped on me. I'll be right back once I get that cleaned up. Came back, hands are washed, but yeah. How to take care and, well, how to clean these guys' cage. Hold on. I do that. Like, he doesn't mind it. Like, that's actually a good exercise for him. Just the green one freaks out. But just make sure you don't do that if your budgie can't really fly that well. Only do it if your budgie can fly super good. Here. Hold on. Come on. Hold on. Go around like this. There you go. So, how to clean the cage? Well, here's the cage and here are the budgies. And how do you clean the cage? Well, what I do is I get the wooden perches and I scrub them with a Lysol kind of, I scrub them with a wipe, like, you know those wet wipes? I scrub them with those until all the poop crust comes off. Then I run it under hot water, and then I rub it with paper towel after that. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how I do it. And don't worry about, like, don't worry about stains that stay there, because it's all cleaned up, it's just a stain. But one more thing is things they need. Make sure you have toys for them. And along with toys and stuff, make sure they have a cuddle bone, which is this thing. I'll check just like flavors. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I wasn't actually pressing down. You just went down. But yeah, those things. I have a vanilla flavored one. And if your buddies are like mine and really picky about it, then you're probably going to want to buy, you're going to need a lot of those, because all they do is scrape the edges off, not even like the middle of it. But yeah, how I clean the sides of the cage? Well, I don't really have to clean the sides of the cage. Really, but like I've never cleaned the sides of the cage. Those are really clean. But how I clean the bottom of the cage, which, as you can see, is already getting a little dirty. So how I clean the bottom of the cage? So, if your sink has a spray kind of thing where you could take it out in, like, a separate kind of spray thing where it sprays hard if you have it all the way up. Not like the sink itself detaches, but a spray thing that you could take out and spray the whole thing with. If your sink has that, then this would be perfect. So run it under hot water, get that, and basically spray the whole thing until all the poop comes off. If it won't come off, turn it on the other side and do it again. If that still doesn't come off, then keep spraying until it comes off. And then how to clean, like, the things that I have. These things are like for bunnies, ferrets, and mice and stuff that you can keep as pets at the bottom of the cage, the things under there. So those are made out of newspaper. And don't be worried if your budgie is like, don't be worried if your budgie is chewing on them. He's not eating them, he's just chewing. Because they love to chew on those. Like, they try to pull them out from under there, but they have poop on them, so I don't want them to, like, be, eating their own poop, like, chewing their own poop on accident. I almost forgot. Put the mirror back. Yeah, but, okay, that's good. But don't be worried about that. And then the stuff at the bottom, what you do with that is you just take it out and make sure you do not overfill it. If you overfill it, it's going to be bad and messy. But what you're going to want to do is pull it out, and there is always going to be something under that. Like, there's always going to be some residue left at the bottom of that. So what you're going to want to do after that is dump all that in the garbage, first of all. And then wipe it down a little bit. Well, first of all, if there's like crumbs and other stuff left, if it's scraped off a little bit and went to the bottom of the cage when that plate thing is out, because there's a plate thing at the bottom, where you can take it out and just dump it into the thing. But after that, then just dump that. And if there's still stuff left, if it fell off, then what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to vacuum that out, or you could just pick it up piece by piece, but yeah, vacuum that up, and then wipe it down again at the bottom. Well, not again, but wipe that down of all the poop that's like on the plastic part of the cage. But yeah. Oh yeah. Wondering what this is? My birds love these. Well, they love the perch on those, but you can get them from this. They love these. It's basically a peanut butter kind of flavored thing with sunflower seeds, peanuts, and other kind of bird treats. And it's honey glazed. And once they're fully done with it, you could have this as a perch, which they do like. But only for like smaller birds like the budgies and stuff. But yeah. I'm just putting this back in, it's okay. Okay then. So yeah. And one thing that your budgies should stay away from is metals. Like, of course metals like this are fine, any budgie safe metal, but unless you know what kind of metal is safe for a budgie, just keep it away from metals. Like, don't take any chances, because that can kill them. Metals. But yeah. Same thing with the food. Like, well, not every day, but like replace it. Replace it once it gets really low. And if you're changing the food, then make sure you change it like slightly. Like very subtly, like mix it into that food and then keep taking more of that food out, the food that they had before out, and then keep putting the other stuff in. Yeah, that's what you need to do. And then what you need to do for like when you first bring them home, let them settle in for a few days, like 3 days. If that still doesn't work, have them settle in for a week. But yeah, and just let them settle in before you start putting your hand in the cage. And one thing is, you can't keep them in the box that they come in when you first get them. You can't keep them in there for like an hour. You can't keep them in there for like a few hours to 2 hours, not even 1 hour. That's just, what's wrong with it is that it's very uncomfortable for them to be in the box, and they get super scared. So yeah, make sure that you have one close to you and your cage isn't too complicated. Like my one wasn't complicated, it only took like 10 minutes to set up. And the place is only 10 minutes away, so it only took 20 minutes. But yeah. That's pretty much it. Well, there's one more thing that I'm gonna say. Do not, yes, I'm saying that again, do not give your bird foods without knowing that they're not poisonous. Like, pretty much anything, everything, almost everything can kill a budgie. And avocado is one of them. It's just really dangerous for them. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video, and I hope you liked it, and bye.